Man, oh man, finding products to sell on Amazon can be a royal pain in the posterior. But I'm going to show you a really, really simple way to use Helium 10, as it happens, to find yourself a never-ending stream of great products to sell on Amazon. Now, if you like this kind of information where I'm helping you build your own e-commerce business, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. And if you've got any questions or comments, comment below. I'm going to answer that personally for you. With that being said, let me show you the strategy. This is Black Box, and I came up with a strategy to find really great product ideas and this strategy works really well in two different ways, okay? So the first way you should use this strategy is to see why a particular product is doing so well, to get ideas from their strategy that you can implement into your own strategy, okay? That is a very cool way to use what I'm just about to show you. The second way to use what I'm going to show you is to get ideas for actual products to sell using an arbitrage method, I guess, in as much as if we go searching on Amazon.com and find a freaking awesome product, we can check if the same product is selling on Amazon.co.uk, on Amazon.de, on Amazon.com.au, blah, blah, blah. And if it's not, then we can go source a product like that and start selling a product like that in that territory. Okay, so that's the second way to think about this. Anyway, so let's go through it. So somebody give me a category and or subcategory. Somebody give me a category and subcategory. Let's go find something. Home and kitchen. There we go. All right. So here's our criteria. So the first is whatever category you're interested in. Next, price is minimum of 40. Okay, minimum of 40. I'm not interested in cheap products anymore. But anyway, you might be, whatever it is for you. For me, here's what I do. So price minimum of 40, revenue monthly minimum of 15,000. I'm on Amazon.com, so that's a good amount for this particular thing. Fulfillment, you want to do FBA. Variation count, you want to do a max of 3. So you're not looking for something with heaps of different variations that are skewing the results. And you'll understand what I mean in just a second, okay? So maximum of 3 variations, and the listing age, you want to do from 1 to 6 months, okay? 1 to 6 months. That's it. Everything else, just there, ignore. All right. And now you get your results. And now what you want to do is sort your reviews. And you want to have reviews, lower reviews first. Okay, lower reviews first. The reason for that is if a product has only been on Amazon for under 6 months and it's already got 1,000 reviews, then some shenanigans is going on, okay? Somebody is gaming that system. There's shenanigans. You're not getting a true and accurate output from what I'm looking to show you. So ignore that. Also, you're going to ignore the review ratings where they've got only they've got 1-star reviews. And what I'm kind of looking for is, I should maybe make that into a thing, 6 reviews, depending on how long it's been up, but 6 and up is really, really cool. Okay, so what have we got here? What's on the results page? So what we've got is brand new products that have very recently, within the last 6 months, been launched on Amazon that have already got great sales traction and are making $15,000 a month. Okay, in this particular category that are using FBA. That's what we are now looking at. And I would suggest that's a very, very cool thing to model when we're interested in what actually works, what's getting traction, what's making sales, what can you copy? Okay, that's a really cool thing to look at. So for instance, we can see here that this TV stand, which sells for $239, I really like more expensive products as well. They tend to be a lot less competitive. Well, that's making 15 grand a month. Okay, great. Maybe we could look at something like that in a new marketplace. But look, I mean, we're in the category that's going to give us a lot of furniture, of course. So we're going to get things like that. But still, we've got a product here that's making 26 grand a month. It's a console table, futon bed. Man, it always amazes me what you can buy on Amazon. So there's a shitload of awesome stuff on here to give you ideas about what you can sell on Amazon. Okay, so that's the first kind of, and then you take these ideas, you go, is this selling in America? Yes, okay. Is it selling in Australia? No, great. It's not selling in Germany? Great. It's not selling in the UK? Great. Let me go create something like that and model how they've launched so that I can get those sales too. That's cool. Second thing is, so this is a product that I found that I thought was a really easy product for us, selling for $50. And all it is it's 2 nightstands like that. I think they've done a fantastic job of their listing. Very, very clever. Lots to learn from here. Floating nightstand, set of 2, wood. Like these are all their main keywords that they're going in. Nightstands, wall, bedroom shelves, blah, blah, blah. And then the other thing that I really thought was good about this was, isn't that a fantastic image to demonstrate the weight load of this product? Like they put a freaking barbell on top of it and they've told you that weighs 50 pounds. Obviously you change that into kilos from anywhere else. But they've given you a heap of cool information. They're giving you all the dimensions all in one image. That's a very, very good image. So lots to learn from that too. And their A+ content, also very, very good. Okay. There is, without a doubt, a truckload of potential brilliant money-making products right there. Okay. Truckload. And anybody that's going to type in, Neil, you said do this, just know there are, I'm not going to say hundreds, but certainly tens of different ways to go about finding products on Amazon. Okay, that was a video from my regular Monday night session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are a community of e-commerce professionals right around the world, making sales on Amazon, on eBay, on Shopify, all sorts of different places, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. There's 2,500 members and growing. We're actually the fastest growing community of e-commerce professionals in Australia right now. If you'd like to find out more about what we do, and also come and join us, of course, then get yourself off to www.aussieontrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that is in the description, and I will see you next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.